much about RVing, but I can tell you, don't put Dicor in your rain gutter. Just saying. They're not always painful, but still, 62 is kind of painful. I realize we need to get better at finding cheap gas. We stopped at probably the most expensive Flying J we could have possibly found on the earth. A few miles back, a few days back, I should say. This was 303 here, and that one was 339. We probably got 60 gallons, so 18 bucks we could have saved, but we would have never made it this far. Now to find my way through the Costco parking lot without running over any pedestrians. Then hooking back up with Cindy, we're gonna go shopping. Mundane RV stuff. That's what we're doing today. There's Cindy, sitting there waiting.
Turn left, then turn right.
Damn it! We're driving, that's what we need in the truck.
We're going to Costco.
Oh, did you just want to walk from here? I mean, don't you want to go get a J spot?
No, we need to get our steps in. We've been lazy all weekend.
Steps. We need steps in. We're going to go to Costco. Get our steps.
What are you doing? I'm taking the truck.
It's fine. So, 130 bucks later, we got the bag of coffee we went in for. We got the comforter that we did not go in for. And a bunch of other stuff. But it's nice, you just take the cart right to your door. That's the beauty of RVing. Look, new comforter.
Oh my god, it's really heavy. In 900 feet, you'll arrive at Deer Creek State Park main area. Smile. I am working. I got it.
Let's walk down to the lake. Cool.
Margarita?
Say what?
Margarita? It's gotta be 5 o'clock somewhere.
Cindy's answer for every boring rainy day that we've had is margarita.
When
in the rain. This is what you do. You drink margaritas. There's nothing else to do.
We feel trapped.
Very.
We're cozy,
Oh, we're cozy.
but trapped. Lots of work, lots of laptop time for both of us.
I'm so bored. I'm deleting thousands of emails from my inbox. Finally.
We're starting to steam up the windows. The rain is so cold. 68 in here, 41 in the fridge, 48 in the water bay, so our water lines are not freezing, and 40 outside. 80% humidity. Raining every day. Glad I got the oil changed when I did. Almost got busted by the camp host here. But at least it's changed. Just get it to stop raining. I wouldn't feel so trapped.
We're hiking and it's sunny out. Yay! Oh, jeez.
Don't fall in the lake.
It's a little mucky down here. It needs to be a more rocky. Shoes are gonna be real muddy.
Yeah.
They're not allowed in the camper.
This weather. I don't know what we're gonna do. Peanut butter and jelly for dinner? Peanut butter and jelly. Shoes are clean.
Yeah, you think?
Heel and
What
all.
are you doing?
I washed them.
Oh my gosh, you could have done that later. You washed yourself.
I was dirty. It's hailing.
Yeah. You should have came in a long time ago. Love you, baby, but for gosh sakes. Are we going to watch you strip now? Is this still on?
It's still on.
Okay. Woo, woo, take it out.
How many wet coats can I get in a day?
Quite a few.
I need a mudroom.
You're in it.
Okay, now you can turn it off because I take my pants off.
Oh, you're going to take your pants off? We can't film that? Okay.